Welcome to Archiesense. This house was designed to meet the programmatic needs while respecting the natural elements of the environment. With a seamless adaptation to the landscape, the house creates a harmonious relationship between the interior and the exterior. From the access path, the house does not attract excessive attention, but rather introduces itself through a curved stone wall that leads the visitor to the main entrance. This wall opens the way to the central courtyard, where the stairs to the upper floor are located. This first hallway maintains privacy and introduces a visual relationship between the tall volume of the house and the surrounding landscape. Built on a 2,500 square meters plot bordered by 3-meter-high dunes facing the beach, the design of the house takes advantage of the elevation of the land to create a recreational space on the ground floor. This area includes a grill, an outdoor fireplace, and a dining room surrounded by a rock garden, reflecting the harmony between architecture and nature without changing the natural landscape of the psammophilous forest. The upper floor places the rooms around a central terrace that is opaque, creating a calm atmosphere. The elevated gallery and the sheltered swimming pool allow its use all year round. The perimeter circulation to the terrace distributes the spaces like a monastery, with the living dining room and the master bedroom on the south side, the other bedrooms on the north, and the service area on the east. The 16-meter-long living dining room opens completely to the outside through openings hidden in the wall pockets. La Secreta is presented as a house that not only responds to the terrain, but also celebrates its context. With a structure that enhances the beauty of nature, the house creates a continuous dialogue between space and the sea, making architecture and environment a harmonious whole.